All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some tips now. All right, first tip, and this is on page 3. Know what good law is. We just talked about between 2009 and 2015, we had some bad law, which means it may not apply. Now, the other thing you need to know is, when does your client's lawyer know less than you about this? As Ann will, one of the things I thought Ann could add a lot of value here is because her experience as a family lawyer is completely different from my experience. Yeah, I've tried cases in Middle Tennessee and parts unknown Tennessee with various judges, but she has a completely different knowledge base than I did. And she's going to tell you what she knows and what she doesn't know. And this is a great opportunity for teamwork between lawyer and forensic accountant. Next, creativity counts. You're not going to be able to look up on a NACFA website or seminar or AICPA materials telling you how to account for appreciation of separate property. And the reason is there's too many variables, and it depends on what documents you have and what information you have access to. How do I know that for sure? Okay, how do I know that? I've been looking for it for 25 years. If they had it out there, I would have cited it for my book, because this is good stuff. It doesn't get any better than this, all right? So, no specific method. It's going to be good old-fashioned cost accounting, and your creativity as a forensic accountant working with the lawyer is going to add a lot of value, because a lot of times when we're talking about appreciation of separate property, we're talking about businesses, we're talking about real estate, we're talking about investments and retirement accounts, okay? Now, one of the other tips is, don't be intimidated in the land of numbers. You're king. As a forensic accountant, you're the king. You can do a shell game and have a report that nobody can understand, which may be beneficial from time to time, or you spoon feed the reader and take them step by step. Now, which one's more valuable at mediation, trying to settle the case? I don't know. I've had reports where it was just a simple calculation and a number, but that all the steps weren't used or presented in the report, and that's worked. And then I've had other ones where we show the work, it's very detailed, and it gets contested saying, no, step 42, you got to change this number to this number because of X, Y, and Z. So you get caught in the weeds. Now, my last tip is, one of the things I would highly encourage every forensic accountant to do is make friends with other forensic accountants, whether it's at the AICPA or TSCPA, and ask them for sanity checks. Does this look right? Does it smell right to you?